Why? Does it feel like it's alive?
The deeper you walk within.
I am.
And the echo answered, not as stranger, but as self. Not again.
The shadow never leaves. It waits where you buried your fear.
You said you weren't afraid, but you still are! You're lying!
Denial feeds darkness more than fear ever could. Courage isn't slaying your shadow, it's calling it by name.
It's okay now, you're home. When he stopped fighting the dark, it learned to rest in his light. The dark wasn't my enemy.